Facebook na.
Hi! Let's wait. Ang solid ng timpla nito ah.
Ayan. Tawag ka lang ito eh. Naman sponsor na.
So Instagram, it took like a minute before people started joining. You know. Hi! What's up? Thanks for joining my live. It's my 32nd birthday, as I've said on Instagram. Solid ng term mo eh, no? Wala bang filter here? Just kidding. Hi! Oh, thanks for sending hearts. If y'all can send stars, that'd be great. Also, so kumakain lang kami, ganun. Meron akong nakitang something on Lazada na gusto kong bilhin. Meron akong, yung evil, there's an evil eye ring that I wanna get. Gusto mo din?
Oh, alright.
Lagi naman alright yung stores na binibilan ko. I just know.
Hindi nga lang ganun ka po detail.
How much?
Mas marami ang...
Hi Justin! Hi Shalumiel! What's up, Kuya? Shalumiel? Kuya BJ? Or I mean BJ, what's up? Or whatever.
Sabihin, nagtutuwa ka. Sabi train,
What's that? Let's buy. You don't have to get it.
kasi pinapagano na yun sa kaliwa. Kaya alam ko na yung minsan. Alam ko na yung tatlong baliwa. Nung nag-apat ka na nito.
We would be missing. They said. Hi. This is a solid ass wedding song. Hi Leo, what's up? Let's eat, y'all. Mas marami nga pala akong semi-influencer friends on Facebook kasi.
What?
Yun ba yung natanda natin? I-check sa natin. I-check sa natin.
May katabi na tayo. Ano ka ba? Yung doon nga sa kabilang table, kanina nag-yosi lang po na yosi. Kasi sabi, nakinig ka naman siya.
Alam mo naman
As in, sila nga, they were literally facing.
Masunurin ako. Ayoko na
Minsan kaya nang power trip lang po.
hindi naman, hindi ko din ako power.
Sure ka? Ano? Mga silang galing sa workout.
Alam mo naman ako.
Hi! Hi Nancy, hi Andrew, hi Jam. Hi! Oh, I miss you guys. Hi Jam, ano na nga ba yung tawagan natin before? Sorry, ang dami ko kasi nasa isip. Lost. Love you though. Double! Ayun! Double. Hi, I remember now. It's my birthday today, y'all. Guess how old I am? Nakalimutan ko na rin kung bakit double yung tawagan natin sa isa't isa. Double. Kilala mo si CK ba? Taga-holy.
Kasi meron pang may profit lang.
Medyo naging kami.
Tapos meron game. Tingnan mo yung content.
Naging kami. I'm 32! Actually. Throwback lang kasi yung pinost ko na kumakanta ko. Oh, crush mo yan? Well, crush ka daw before ni Double. Wala, loyal daw siya sa akin. Sorry daw. Heartthrob ba to? Record?
Concentrate lang na pero it's not. Kasi
Wow. Hanggang ngayon pa naman. Wala yan. Oh, congrats! Oh my gosh! How's the pregnancy journey going? Kapag 5 months ba, alam na kung girl or boy?
Kaya nga namin pinahabol eh. And ang pinahabol paper.
Hi! Hey guys, I can officially like get stars now and everything, so if you guys wanna like send me some stars, you know. Hi Cuzzo! What's up? Jonathan. Long time!
Yun ang ano. Kasi kung hindi magagano si Okay.
Oh, that's good. Oh, congrats. Sana all. Just kidding.
Pero bakit yan? Bakit? Bakit mali ba yung kayo? Bakit hindi ma-affecto?
May mga anak na rin na ako actually. In the form of cats. Cat babies. Cat babies, cat children, cat babies, cat children. One girl, one boy. So aside from the fact that today is my birthday, you guys, lol's birthday. If you all have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'm 32 years old. Yes, thanks. I get that a lot. I don't know if it's a compliment now or if it's an insult that people say I look way too young. Pero yes, born 1993. And yes, my other contact lens is ano. Please don't mind. My contacts are on the way. CK's back. In town.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to follow Margaret or make sure to subscribe to the
Diba?
channel.
Sabi ko sa'yo, nag-flicker yung lights, diba? Sketch. Sketchy. That's what you call a mother trucking sketchy. Ano to? Para saan to? Hindi mo to. Weh? Hindi mo ginamit. Hindi mo ginalaw yung... Ang tumas ba yarn? Oh.
Galing mo, naubos mo yung rice, ha?
Well,
You still want rice? I have.
no, I'm good. If there's one Yossi that I could like, actually depends. Gusto ko ng pula, red.
I want to quit marriage.
You're right.
I'll try though. After this night. Wala na kasi ito eh.
West Virginia. Take me home. Maraming viewers last year, no?
So, ilan na nag-view sa'yo?
Less than 10.
Dami ah.
I know.
Gabi na din kasi.
It's a freaking Monday, come on.
Yeah.
Last year, it was a Sunday kasi.
Try mo mag-live ng Saturday. Tingnan mo. Friday night or Saturday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it depends. Thursday. Kasi usually Friday night, people are out there. Unless yung mga, alam mo yun, yung walang ginagawa lang at home.